Hi guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be having for supper tonight. I brought out two chicken breasts. They're actually room temperature, so they're ready to be cooked. We have just something kind of simple, guys. We have carrots, we also have onions, and we have potatoes. Come along with me and see how it turns out. All right, guys, everything's ready. We are going to take the chicken breast and put it in the cast iron. We're going to put it in the oven once it turns to 400. I'm just waiting for the oven to heat up. Nothing exciting, carrots, potatoes, onions, nothing I haven't done before on my channel. I know I'm just this is sort of like a Mickey Mouse type editing and whatnot, but I'm having fun. And the more videos I put out, the more I'm going to learn how to edit. I would love to learn, like, I love videotaping. I like taking pictures. And the more I do this, the more I'll learn how to edit better. So, all right, on to the next step. All right, the oven is to 400. Let's put it in. Say goodbye, guys. All right, it's Finny. Look at that. Ooh, ooh la la. I'm gonna put it right here.